How to sign in Netflix on Smart TV with QR code. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will guide you how you can sign in to Netflix on Smart TV using a QR. So without further delay, let's get started. Power on your Smart TV and launch the Netflix. Then you have to select sign in when prompted on your screen. After that, on your TV, then you will find two options, which is sign in with remote or sign in with wave or QR. So you have to select sign in with wave or use QR code. Now, on your TV screen, a QR code will appear. On your phone, open up your camera application or QR scanner and point it at the QR code on the TV. You will be redirected to the netflix.com/TV8 or a similar login page, where you'll be asked to enter your login credential. So if you're already not logged in into your mobile device, you have to enter the Netflix email and password once you scan the QR code displayed on your TV screen. After logging in, Netflix will ask you to confirm the sign in on your smart TV. Once confirmed, your smart TV will automatically log into Netflix. You will see your Netflix profiles appear and then ready to stream. And make sure that your phone and your TV are connected to the internet. That's it. That's how you can sign in into Netflix into your smart TV using the QR code. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.